Some say carpet is gone, but the facts prove them wrong. Over half the flooring sold is carpet new, not old. Whether it's new or a reinstall, you'll need more than a carpet all. Seaming, stretching, tack strips galore. It takes training and skills and more. So install the carpet like a pro, with every stitch and every row. 1,000,000 yards, you'll see it go. So install the carpet like a pro. Like a pro. As you're on the go with yards to and fro, you'll meet it daily high and low. So do it right, let your skills show. Please, please don't forget, protect your knees, no regret. Tools and skills, that's how you'll win. Lay it down, let the work begin. Install the carpet like a pro. From start to finish, let it show. Stretch it tight, then let it flow. Install the carpet like a pro. Like a pro.